अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम योर टीचर तथीर फातिमा। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं जेम पब्लिशर्स की इंग्लिश प्ले ग्रुप। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट आवर बॉडी नेम्स, बॉडी पार्ट्स। लुक एट दिस इज आवर हेड। टच योर हेड। This is our eyes. Blink blink. We have two eyes. This is our nose. Smell the flower. We have one nose. This is our mouth. Smile, please. We have one mouth. This is our ears. Can you hear me? Yes. We have two ears. We have two hands. Clap, clap. Very good. We have two legs. Jump, jump. Very nice. We have two foot. Very good. Students, our body help us see, hear, eat and play. Very nice.